Our next topic is importance of business environment. In the present day competitive market, it is essential for a business to remain alert and aware of its environment. Proper understanding and awareness about the business environment brings lots of benefits for the businessmen. And these benefits are enables the firm to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantages. Business environment helps the firm to identify threats and early warning signals. It helps in tapping useful resources. It helps in coping up with the rapid changes. It assists in planning and policy formulation. And finally, it helps the business firm in its improvement of the performance. Now, the first one enables the firm to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantages. The business firm who are able to understand and scan the opportunities available in the business market can take the early bird price. For example, Maruti Udyog Limited became the leader in the small market segment because they were the first one to identify the need of the small car in the Indian market. Now, it helps the firm to identify threats and early warning signal. Threats means the external environment trends that is going to hamper the uh, performance of the business firm. So, a business firm must be alert in scanning and in catching the warning or the threat that is going to come. For example, when Maruti Udyog Limited got the information that more foreign car manufacturing companies are going to set up their business in India, they took it as a warning signal and started increasing their production capacity, and at the same time they entered into the sedan car segment also. Now the next one is helps in coping with rapid changes. As you know that the business environment is highly dynamic, it keeps on changing very fast, so they have to be very careful about the changes that is going to take place or changes that are taking place in the business market, so that they can do necessary changes in their internal environment to cope up with the rapid changing external environment. For example, Google, a search engine, is continuously improved by its management by adding certain features to remain ahead of others. Now the next one is assisting in planning and policy formulation and helps in tapping useful resources. You know that environmental analysis helps to identify the threats and opportunities. Once we know what are the opportunities that are available or what are the threats that are available that are going to come in the market, based on that the firm can easily plan or they can change their existing plan to make themselves successful in the market. Firms can also procure all the factors of production at the right such as machines, tools, capital, material, labor from the environment and should convert them into desired goods and services for the customers, so that they should be able to satisfy their demands and needs on the proper time. Now, with the increase in the demand of LED monitors, now firm must be arranging the raw materials for LED monitors instead of CRT monitors. So company should always be ahead of the other competitors in the market to get the maximum gain. Now the last one is improvement in performance. If a company will in advance be able to know the opportunities, the threat, if they are able to procure all the useful resources on time, if they are easily adaptable to the rapid changes, or they can easily formulate the plan or change the existing plan no doubt the company or
will
the not only improve their present performance but also will continue to succeed in the market for a longer period of time. So the business and woman holds a very important position for any